Good morning to all. I am Subramaniam from Essence College of Technology, working as assistant professor in automobile department. In this session, we are going to see about the machining and finishing operation of a piston. So, the machining and finishing operation for a piston are crucial steps in ensuring that the piston meets the precise dimension and surface quality required for the optimal performance in an internal combustion engine. The various processes used in machining and finishing operation of piston are turning, milling, drilling and burring, grinding, honing, super finishing. In that we go for inspection quality control and we go for surface treatment. So far these are the machining operations. Then we go for the surface treatment, balancing, cleanliness and finally go for the final inspection. We see one by one in detail. So first turning. The turning is the primary machining operation used to achieve the cylindrical shape of a piston. This process involves rough turning and finish turning, removing the bulk of the excess material to approximate the final shape itself. Rough turning, maximum of 1 to 2 mm material is being removed there, and finish turning, refining the dimension to meet the tight tolerance, typically using in the CNC lathes for precision. So, and the base of microns, we remove the metals here. Next goes the milling operation. After the turning operation, it goes for milling operation, which is used to create the various features of the piston, such as ring grooves, pin losses, pin bosses, and valve reliefs. It involves face milling, slot milling, and profile milling. Whereas the face milling is ensuring the top surface of the piston is in flat, and slot milling cutting the grooves for the piston rings, and profile milling shaping the complex contours and the geometries. Following the milling, we go for drilling and boring operation. So drilling and boring operations are essential for creating precise holes in the piston, which includes first drilling is creating a initial hole on the piston pin bore. Boring enlarging the drilled holes to achieve the final diameter of the high precision, to provide for the gudgeon pin and also to fix it. Next, go for the grinding operation. This is one of the machining operation. Grinding operation provides a required surface finish and dimensional accuracy, especially on the critical surfaces. Here we go for external grinding and internal grinding, then surface grinding also. So refining the outer diameter of the piston is known as external grinding, and ensuring the bore of the piston pin is perfectly round to cut the dimension is known as the internal grinding, and achieving the flat surface on the top of the piston is known as surface grinding. Following it, we go for honing itself. Honing is also nothing but the grinding, but here metal removal is very less, as well as the surface finish will be accurate to the dimensional accuracy of the piston. So honing is using abrasive stones on the to smooth the bore, ensuring it is round and has a cross batch pattern that helps retain the lubrication. Finally comes the super finishing process. So it's employed to achieve the high quality surface finish with the low roughness. These techniques include lapping and polishing. So using the abrasive slurry to produce the exceptionally smooth surface is known as lapping, and using the rotating cloth wheel on polishing the compound to get the piston surface mirror-like finish is known as the polishing surface. Next we go for the inspection quality control on the dimensional checks, surface finish checks, and non-destructive testing also. That is using the method of such as the X-rays or inspection and ultrasonic testing to detect the internal defects is known as non-destructive testing, whereas not removing any materials here. Then you go for the surface heat treatment, as is previously seen about the surface of the piston has to be go for heat treatment, analyzing and coating. And finally, go for the cleaning of the deburring itself. The machine process operations undergoes a cleaning and removal of the residual machine fluids and debris. Finally, go for the fine dimensional inspection and visual inspection. At last, the functional testing also. With this, we come to the end of this session. Thank you.